Today I'm inviting you along for a road trip to central Iowa, through a few small towns and dirt roads. Along the way, I'm taking photos with the X100v, a camera that speaks a language I love listening to. I often talk about the importance of pre-visualization with my students. This is a way we could set out on a photographic journey with a specific endpoint in mind. On today's journey, I'm thinking of the 1970s era glossy magazines. The photographs in these publications were full of grain and saturated, imperfect color. The pages depict an America that was changing and shifting and becoming something a little different. Yet today, many of these places I visit seem stuck in the same time period. The vibrant future many of these towns hope for often never materialized. So things are a little older, a little more faded than maybe they should be. So I dialed in some color settings on the Fuji X100v, a camera that looks a little like the old film cameras my uncles and father used to use. I increased the grain and saturation, while lowering the contrast and shifting some of the white balance settings. I saved these settings to my camera in a profile called Nostalgic Road. And with each photo, I'm not just capturing a scene or location, but a current moment in time that has a connection to our history as a country. These photographs are imperfect, they're grainy, the colors are slightly off, the sky is a little bluer than it should be. It's all about seeing the world in a different way, through the eyes of a camera that helps bring my artistic vision to life.